My name is Amanda Fellinger. I work at Jay Hodge Ford in Moulton, Arkansas, and I'm Assistant Service Manager. I've probably used Autosoft for about 3 years. In the service department, we normally utilize the writing up the repairs for the writers. The advisors, of course, will type in all the causes, corrections, labor times. When you write up a ticket, they kind of coexist together. You can write up a repair and it'll transfer over onto the ticket, so it kind of makes it a little bit more cohesive.
The ease of learning when I came to Autosoft, transitioning into the service side was made easy because I had a couple of advisors who really knew how to work the system, who kind of showed me how to use it on the service side. But I feel like the user friendliness of Autosoft has made it super easy for people to pick it up.
Having Autosoft, it has the feature that you can go in and you can really adjust variable labor rates. By having the platform with Autosoft to go in, it's so versatile in the way of adjusting those types of rates based off of the technician and or the repair we're doing. It's the best way to support what's coming in and out the door. I mean, if we're doing a brake job and keeping them safe and they need brake pads and or rotors, that's going to be a maintenance rate that I can go ahead and set up and cue that right in Autosoft. And if I have one that's coming in and it's just really a gremlin and a rodent's got in there and it's just a lot of things going on, then I can adjust accordingly to make sure we get them to the right people and everybody's taken care of.